Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how to check cashbacks and offers in your Paytm. So let's start the video friends. I will tell you from the starting. You have to just open your Paytm. If you have not installed, you can install it, sign in and make your account. Then friends, you have to scroll down. You will see this is the interface. Scroll down here, it will show you cashback and offers. So here it will show you your total cashback won. Here it is gold coins and here it is my voucher is this. You have to tap on here, you have to scratch the card. It will give you some this kind of coins. This is the gold coins and some of the offers. You can check it out here. So sometimes it is useful, sometimes it is not much useful. You can see whatever you want from here. So you can see this is the spinner, right? Here it is. You can see you wanna this Bluetooth earbuds 299. So this is how you can check your offers and this. Let's check this also. So okay, I have won a 600 this watch. Let's spin it again. Okay, now I have won the Texovira power bank. Okay, so that's how you can check. There are lots of things are here. 99 store are also there. You can just simply tap on here, so you can spin it. Airport. Okay, so here it is spin and win, and there are more vouchers are here. So some of the vouchers are useful like big basket or country delight. You can check it from here. There are many applications, you can see. So that's how you can check. You can click on my voucher also. Here you can see lots of vouchers applications are here. So friends, here it is M caffeine, that is buy to get to free. Dermaco, that is 350 off on 890. Just you have to tap on it. You can copy the code or redeem it now. It will redirect to the page of that website. You can see there are Pilgrim. There are lots of applications and websites are here that are very useful. You can use these voucher to get discount. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.